Welcome to the Hendrick Outdoor Channel. Thank you for joining today's opening day of rifle season here in West Virginia, 2024. I'm here with my girlfriend. We're setting on a new piece of public that we've never hunted before. We found it the other night, and boy, what a view. Alright, it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We moved spots to get more coverage, and we found some rubs, and we cut a big buck track. So we're gonna sit here. It's starting to cool down and see what happens. Alright, we've moved to a third spot. We got out of the snow, it got too cold. So we are now sitting up not too far off the road, but we've cut across the scrape that was freshly worked and a pretty decent track. So hopefully I'm gonna rattle here in a second, and hopefully we can get one to come in for her to shoot. And yeah. It's day 2, West Virginia rifle season. We got set up here about 7:20, and have had deer all around us ever since. There's currently a doe bedded right out there in front of us, about 70 yards. Just had a deer 25 yards behind us, and there was a little spike. He walked out in front. There's a deer down here to our right blowing, and there was one right behind us that was just blowing. So stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get some action. We just got done shooting a deer. She shot, it looked like to be a 4-point. It was real tall. We switched spots from this morning. We came back up to where we did yesterday. Somebody was sitting in our spot, so we decided to go on out the road, and we found a spot on X that it was a real long, it's like 3 fields connected together, and we went all the way to the last one, and it just sat down about 10 minutes, and then I saw a deer pop out. Told her I thought it had horns, and first she thought it was a rock, and I grunted at it to pick its head up, and it looks like she made a pretty good shot on the video. It's kind of hard to see, but it looks like she made a pretty good shot.
And give it a few minutes and then
hopefully go track it, so hang tight.
all right, it's been about 30 minutes. We're gonna walk down here and check where I shot him at, check for a blood trail, and hopefully we got us a buck. Oh, we came over here to search for a blood trail. There's not a lick of blood anywhere. We shot him out, I think, I don't know,
About 15 yards right over there. right by that stump to the right of
We
it.
finally found a couple tracks into the woods here,
That were fresh.
and I think I see him over there. Let's go check him out.
They ain't even blood back here. Oh, he's thick and deep in this pond. Oh, you drilled him, honey.
Well, he's down. I don't know what you want me to say.
He only ran about 40 yards, if that. He's weird looking, real tall. Looks like he's starting to palmate back there. She made a good shot on him. He was quartering two. It looks like it went in somewhere around the shoulder and came out the front of his guts back there, but still a good shot. He died quickly.
All right, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.